Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to do a video that was sponsored by a hair growth company called Mori. They sent me for amazing products of theirs to help with restoration and regrowth of hair, which is something that I have struggled with in the past 2 years. I've shared a lot of that information on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me there, make sure you do. It is at makeupbymegha, which I'm gonna put right up here for you. So I got these 4 amazing products that promised restoration, regrowth, just fullness, making your hair just overall stronger, better, and healthier. And I have been using these products for just about a month now. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my hair loss and what happened. So I was, I think, blessed with really good hair growing up. My mom had the most beautiful hair when she was younger and then ended up losing so much of it, and now she's balding, and which is such a sad story. And when I, started to really take care of my hair as a teenager, I used to just always get so many compliments. I always had very thick, dark hair. Even when I would get haircuts, they would always tell my parents, okay, it's gonna take a little bit longer in her hair because she has so much of it. With a scrunchie, I could only wrap my hair one time in this, and that's how much hair I had. And I guess I took it for granted because come last year, 2020, and the stress that, was happening in my life with COVID, made me lose a lot of my hair. And it wasn't that like chunks started falling out that I could notice, but every single day I would look at my hair and it felt really limp and lifeless. All of a sudden, it wasn't shiny at all. No matter what shampoo I used, it just was not shiny, which was really different for me because I've always had really shiny hair. On top of that, my hair started to part really weirdly, and up top, I would actually see like bald spots, especially back here, and it was like traumatizing for me. And so my husband and I started to try so many different things. And so since I've been working diligently on my hair, when Mori reached out to me with these products, I looked into it, looked into the ingredients. I noticed right off the bat that all of their products are all natural and organic, which as I get older, I am being so careful of what I put in my body, on my body. Their products are made with essential oils. They are paraben free. They are silicone free. Silicones, I just stay so far away from. Even though I have oily skin, so many products for oil control have silicone in them, and it just feels awful. So I was so happy to hear that these products don't have any of them. So to get into it, there is a shampoo, a conditioner, a hair growth spray, which was really new to me. I've never heard of such a thing before, and a hair repair mask. They actually sent me 2 of their shampoos, which was so sweet. The shampoo and conditioner have been created with such a unique ingredient list. There are 77 minerals in here, 5 vitamins, 18 amino acids, and these have been proven to help you restore your hair and to help promote regrowth, which is exactly what I have been needing. So Mori does say on the packaging that you will see a noticeable difference within 30 days and then definitely after 30 days. All of these products are extremely gentle. They're hyperallergenic and just great for finicky hair. You're not gonna really have any sensitivity to it, which I was really happy about as well. There is fulvic acid in here as well to help promote hair growth. So overall, just an amazing ingredient deck, which I was really pleased about. Being from India, we just really believe in the natural method of curing issues, and I feel like the Western world is finally catching up, and I was raised like that, and for a really long time I was like, no, chemicals, let's just put everything in it, it'll work faster, it'll work better. And then as I finally aged and matured, I suppose, I'm finally just realizing that that is not the way to go, and now I always try to use the most natural products in my skin. I use so many masks that are just made of like turmeric and just natural ingredients that are in my kitchen. So learning that their ingredients are all natural and organic and just good for you, their vitamins, their minerals, I was extremely pleased. So I thought I would go into telling you how to use each product, and then I'll go into what my results have been. So a shampoo, of course, is going to be used as normal as you normally would use a shampoo. One thing is that their bottles do not have the way to use them. They don't have the instructions on here. So they did send me this little card that has all the information. So you would apply this as normal, keep on for a couple minutes, lather and rinse. This did have a scent to it. It kind of felt like a strawberry, like creamy, creamsicle, popsicle, something like that. It does have a fruity scent to it. That was not my favorite personally, My husband has been loving it because he has also been trying all these products, and he also stands by all of my claims that I'm about to make shortly. So that was exciting because I wanted both of us to give something a try and then see what each of us felt, and especially if we had differing opinions, to let you guys know about it. I tend to go in for 2 washes every time I use it because I do live on dry shampoo throughout the entire week, so I like to really make sure that I get everything off of my hair. Then we have the conditioner right here. I like to keep this on. I usually go in with conditioner from like here all the way down. I usually keep it on for 2 or 3 minutes. I'll like just, you know, wash the rest of my body during that time. And this also does have that same scent. And then once that is done, then you have the option to use the repairing hair mask if you want to. I have been using this once a week. I wash my hair twice a week and I do not use this each time. So I use this once a week after I've shampooed and conditioned. And much like the conditioner, you will take this out in your hands and just kind of pull it through your hair. So I'm really like careful to kind of pull my hair out like this. I take the mask in this hand and I'll just keep combing it through. You don't want to put anything like this in the scalp of your hair for obvious reasons. You don't want it to get weighed down. Thicker products like this do tend to do that, so they're not meant for the scalp. And this is what that looks like. This has a very, very light version of the scent of the others. Not much, but you can definitely still smell it. Then this is the product that I was really interested in, the Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray, and it makes so much sense to me. So the way that I use this, the way that it's meant to be used is after you wash and condition your hair, maybe you've used the hair mask or not, it wouldn't really matter, but essentially after everything is done to your hair, on your wet hair, you take this and you spray this on directly, and then you just massage it into your hair. And you just keep going for a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes would be amazing. And basically, if you think about it, you are getting all these minerals directly into your scalp, which is where your hair growth happens. So that makes sense. Whereas the mask was more for like down here, this healthy restorative product. This is more for let's target your follicle, which I really did like. I was nervous because my hair gets so oily. I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna put another product on it, especially that's not even gonna be washed out. So is it gonna weigh my hair down? And the answer is no. I was shocked about that. And I got to put that in, rub it in, then use all my normal products. I use my Root Boost, I use my Moroccan oil, I use my Thickening Tonic, all those products that I just love, and I continue to use them and no difference there. This has a different scent than the rest of them. It has this very herbal, like Ayurvedic type of smell, which I recognize and I love. It's like, you know, tree extracts and that kind of thing. It just feels very natural. And I like the way of using it because you really are targeting your follicle, and it's something that you put on at the end, which means it's gonna stay. It is there to stay. It's not something that you're washing off. What I have noticed, which is the first time I used it, didn't really notice a whole lot. My hair felt, you know, normal. Second time I used it, the most important thing that I noticed was how glossy my hair felt. And that, I mean, I shouldn't say felt, looked. And it also felt a lot softer, which I was really happy about. Then thereafter, steadily with my use, I have noticed so many different things, and I can't pinpoint exactly which wash it was after. One big thing is I have noticed a lot of baby hair growth up front. On the left side through here, I'm noticing a lot of hair growth. Overall, my hair is feeling fuller, and I don't know how to pinpoint that and where, but for example, my hair is very long right now, even though I just got a haircut 2 months ago. In the past 10 days, all of a sudden my hair has grown a lot longer, which my hair grows pretty quickly, but this is something out of the ordinary. I usually get a haircut every 4 months or so, and I don't like generally need it until about 4 months. But right now I'm like, should I be going back for a haircut? Because that's making me feel like something in these products is accelerating just my hair growth. I don't know if it's creating new hair all over just yet, but it is definitely making my existing hair grow faster. I also feel like right now my hair is looking fuller to me than it ever has before. And every time I come out of the shower and I blow dry my hair and everything, I'm always telling my husband, oh my God, I just love how my hair looks. It looks so good. I just like the overall body of my hair feels thicker. It feels more luscious. We had a holiday party to go to over the weekend, and I blow dried my hair and I curled it, and I didn't have to do a whole lot, and it looked so good. I just kept looking at my hair all night. I had done exactly what I always do. The only difference in what I do is these 4 products. So that's how I know it's working. I'm feeling really good about it. My husband keeps telling me how good he feels about it. He gives himself a little scalp massage with a couple of oils and things like that after the shower. And he's telling me that he's just feeling like there's a lot more hair to be touching and that he feels that there's an overall thickness to his hair. I strongly recommend you guys buy it. There is a sale going on right now. Products are already 50 to 60% off, which is incredible. But I also have a 10% discount coupon on top of that for you, which is MEG, M-E-G. You can input that promo code into the little promo code discount area of their website, and you will get the discount that way. Don't miss out on this, you guys. I know how big hair is for the identity of women. I know I derive a lot of happiness and personal satisfaction when I feel like my hair looks good, honestly, more than makeup. I am really happy that I've gotten the opportunity to try this product out, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you have tried this, or if you do purchase this, what your thoughts are. It'll also help everybody else who's down there reading different comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna link everything down below for you, and I can't wait to hear all of your thoughts about these products. Bye.